Farming can be a really difficult livelihood to get into for all of the injustices, both racial and economic, as well as the context of the marketplace right now. We have to put all of our resources into figuring out not just how to get more growers, but to make it an opportunity for people who really want to do this work.
I believe this course or this apprenticeship program, it gives you all the opportunity you need. It's really up to the individual. So after apprenticeship, we're looking to start our own farm. We've recently purchased a farm, a 38-acre farm in Fayetteville, North Carolina. The Envi farm is 12:03 a.m.
I don't come from an ag background at all, and I knew that I wanted to have a job in this field. So this apprenticeship has made me realize I want to do something more hands-on and hopefully continue working on a farm.
The place where apprenticeships fit into this picture in agriculture is that we're asking farm mentors who have this incredible wealth of knowledge to pass that on to apprentices. And what's difficult in that is that they're also running their farm. And so the idea of an apprenticeship program is to kind of really wrap support around them, both by identifying skills that are important to pass along, and that we're also provide somebody a wage. So this is work of which people get paid for, and then as they increase in their competency, they progress in that wage.
It's really given me the space to explore my career goals and get to kind of put my foot in a lot of different doors. It's a really good option for people who know that they want to work in the farming world but don't know specifically what aspect they want to do.
I think it's really important to the future of North Carolina and to our communities to have more people who are farming and want to grow food for their communities. And I see an apprenticeship as one great way to do that.
This course has given me a little bit more tools in my tool belt, if you will. And what I would like to do is be able to spread that knowledge to, throughout the community, as well as ultimately provide the community with some healthy lifestyle.